Hi everyone. So today we will be doing Leetcode problem 105, that is construct binary tree from preorder and inorder traversal. So we are given two integer arrays, preorder and inorder, where preorder is the preorder traversal of a binary tree and inorder is the inorder traversal of the same tree. We know that preorder is root, left and then right traversal, and inorder is our left, root and then right traversal. So we have to construct a binary tree from preorder and inorder arrays given. So what do we know is, in our preorder array the first element that will come is our root, whereas in our inorder array the left subtree elements would come first and then our root and then our right subtree elements. So if we try to find our root in our inorder array, we would know that anything that occurs to the right will be the right subtree elements, and anything that occurs to the left of that root will be our left subtree elements. So what we can do is, if we try to understand this, we first get our root value, that is 3. So if we iterate, we will pop this 3 out after we have got the root value, and we will update our preorder array. So when we will update in our next recursion, our preorder will be 9, 20, 15 and 7, and our inorder will be. So now first we will do is, we will recurse it for the left subtree also, we will recurse it for the right subtree also. So if we recurse it first for the left subtree, what would happen? The items that come to the left of our root will be in the left subtree, so our new inorder array will be 9, just 9. Now we know that the first element of the preorder would be our root, so 9 would be our root of the left subtree, and we will pop out 9. So we have popped out 9 and it is our left subtree element. Now we just have 9 in our inorder array. There is nothing to left and nothing to right. So we know that our 9 ends up there, like there is no more to the left subtree. Now our updated preorder array will be 20, 15 and 7. Now we will do the iteration for the array for our right subtree. So our inorder array would be 15, 20 and 7. So from here we can see that the first element of our preorder will be the root. So we have got our root of the right subtree. Now in order, if we see, here is 20. So anything to the left would be the left subtree, anything to the right would be the right subtree. So we will recurse it again. Now in our next recursion, our new preorder would be 15 and 7. And what will be our new inorder? So for the left subtree, it would be 15. So now here we know that we just have 15, nothing to 15's right and nothing to 15's left. And here we know that anything occurring in the first will be our root. So now we will pop out, and this will be our case, like the 15 in our left subtree. So when we do this iteration, so now our preorder just have 7 and our inorder would just have 7. So we would pop out 7. That would be in our, because as it is occurring in our right subtree, so we know that when we will recurse, it will be in our right subtree, and we would pop out that, and then there is nothing to our left and right. In our inorder we see nothing. So yeah, so this is how we will be constructing a binary tree from our preorder and inorder arrays. We will head over to Leetcode and we will try to code whatever we have understood from this. To start with, we have to check if we have our preorder and inorder arrays. So then we will be returning none. Now let's determine our root node. So this would be, we will create our root, and this would be preorder dot pop 0. Yeah, and now let's determine our mid value, which should be in order dot index of our root value. Now let's call our left subtree, which would be, we would recurse over our, so we have to do self. Yeah, so in our left subtree we would pass the preorder as it is because we have already popped out our element, and our in order in the left subtree will be from the beginning to our mid. Now let's write our right subtree. So to iterate our right subtree, it would be the same preorder array, and in order it shall be from mid plus 1 place to the very end. Now after we have of course recursed, we will be returning our root. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let's run it to see if we have got any errors. Yeah, so this got accepted. So this is how we do convert a preorder and inorder array to a binary tree. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.